how to fix bugs and glitches that you are facing with your Claude application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. If you have also installed Claude directly on your desktop as a desktop application, and if it crashes sometimes or the process is getting closed again and again, then here are some of the troubleshooting methods using which you can ensure that this does not happen. So what are the few methods is that you first simply go to the search bar and then go to the settings of your Windows computer. Now, once you are inside the settings, you need to go to apps, and from here go to installed apps. And then within the installed apps, you need to simply search for Claude. Now, once you can see this is the Claude option right here, click onto the advanced properties, and from here, make sure that the background app permission is currently set to power optimized. So from here, if your app is getting closed again and again, you can set it to never so that it does not get closed in the optimization process. And apart from that, you can try to click onto this repair option, and maybe there is a slight chance that your APK could have been, or your exe file could have been corrupted, so it would get repaired from here. Or also try resetting the application as well if this works, or alternatively you can also try to terminate the session, and maybe a new session will work when all of the processes are restarted. If even that does not work, try uninstalling and reinstalling your Claude application, desktop application, and hopefully that would work. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.